Want to receive $2,500 right now? Elon Musk made a shocking announcement about new quantum project for residents of Canada. From today, every Canadian citizen can get an instant payment of $2,500, spending only 2 minutes of your time by passing official registration from the Tesla project. More than 15,345 citizens already received a payment from the new project. All you need to do is to go to the official website and follow these simple steps and wait for the call of your personal manager. Elon Musk already shared the news on Twitter. I want everyone to have the opportunity to earn with the new quantum project, regardless of age and occupation.